out at the Sheriff's Department, and this is St. John, right?
Yeah.
St. John the Baptist. The Sheriff's Department climbing up and putting the Siklu link in.
Lafourche Parish?
No. I'm pretty sure it's St. John the Baptist. Laplace, Louisiana.
Oh, Laplace. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, St. John the Baptist. It says it on the water tower. There's John Meyer climbing up. This is the Siklu radio we're putting up. It's going to shoot to a 40-foot tower. I'll be going along the other end here in a little bit. We'll get some footage from the top of the other tower. So this is like the flux capacitor of the cellular network. The tower we're working on is actually a Verizon cellular. It's got the E-Node Bs and everything. So these guys do it a little bit different than we do. They actually put the E-Node Bs down here on the ground. That's these guys right here is the Evolve Node B. It's what takes the fiber signal and turns it into LTE. That LTE comes out of those radios right here and down into these cables right here. Goes in them pipes, comes up at the bottom of the ground, goes all the way up the tower, and you can see the panels up there at the top. So that is what your cell phones connect over. And these are just cabinets right here. Some of the old systems will have some UPS and whatnot in there. You can hear the hum. Got little mini air conditions on there. Like I said, we are in St. John the Baptist Parish at the Sheriff's Department. Alright, so we're on the other side of this link. This is a 40-foot Roan 45 tower. We're going to be going up there and aligning this Siklu with the other Siklu on the millimeter wavelength. And I'll shoot a little bit video from the top over here. I'm pretty sure John's got some from the other side. But this is pretty much what we do all day. Alright, we up at the top of the Roan 25. This is the Siklu link. That water tower over there you can barely see in the distance. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. That water tower right there is where John's at. So Alex is inside plugging the radios in, and then we will get her lined up. This is the remote office for the Sheriff's Department. See ya. This isn't very tall, it's just 40 feet. It's about the most I go up now with my back. It's not like climbing on the platforms out there several hundred feet up above the